What's up guys, it's Cam Super Channel here, and today we're going to be making lemonade. So first you're going to need 6 regular lemons, right? 6 regular lemons. Then you're going to need half and half iced tea lemonade basically. And then you're going to need, I don't know why this plate's dirty. Oh no. Hold on 1 sec. Always make sure your dishes are clean. You're gonna have a nice clean plate. And let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna want to do, I'm gonna wash my hands too. Alright, so first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna move this out of the way for now. We're gonna need this. Alright, need this. And we're gonna take this. Oh, and by the way, yeah, never mind. You don't need that. Alright, so you're gonna need a knife. You need a regular old knife. And it's kind of small. You're gonna want to just put it down the center. You're gonna want to do it face down. You just want to do it to all of them. Oh, and you're gonna need sugar too, so I forgot about that. You're gonna need sugar, so. And the last one. Alright. All our lemons are cut. All our lemons are cut. Now what we're gonna be doing, put that off to the side, put this right here, right? Now we're gonna just take all these and squish them. We'll just squish them all down. You're gonna need female toes. I just couldn't. I just want to squish them all down. Right into the pan. Then you could just put them on like a separate plate or something. Or glass would even be fine. I'm going to do this all to the lemons. Now, after this step, I'm going to explain what we're going to be doing. And then I'll show you. And I'll tell you all the parts. So then we're gonna be going, and we're gonna get, I forget what the thing is, but I'll be able to show you. And then you're gonna, put all the juice in, or you could just take the seeds out one by hand, but this will be a little easier, I believe. And then you just wash the pan out and then put the stuff back in it. And just put that in there. Now, I accordingly had 6, and now I'm going to be doing 12 of these. I had 6 lemons. So I had 12 of these, because I cut them in half. I mean, you could do this for lemonade stands, anything basically. And another good thing, I'll tell you, another good thing lemons are good for, are bug, ooh, that sneeze. That sneeze very badly. Whew, okay. Another good thing about lemons is that you could use them for bug spray. If you do drop it, just bring it out again, because lemons could suck up the juice. Now this should only take you no longer than like 5 minutes to do all this. Now you could skip the video ahead. I wouldn't, because I'm probably going to be talking about some good stuff. Now, let's throw these away. Ouch. Oh. You know what I just realized we could do? I hope we have this. What did you do? The thing that you could thing up. Hold on. How would we do this? Just take it. Hold on, I think I have a better idea. So you know how I was talking about that one thing? You could do this. It'd be a pretty good idea, I think. You could probably do this. Probably put like one of these down, right? And put this on top of it. Or like this. Right, and it'll fall. Let's try it. Hold on. That's not working. Never mind, don't do that. Well, we are gonna need this, so we'll just put that on. That's a bad idea. Just do it hand way. You'll get more out of it. You could skip it now if you want. Okay, let me tell you so we're gonna be done with this, okay? And then part 2 is gonna be